my channel. I haven't did a video in a really long time, so I'm coming back with a highly requested video from some of my friends and families about eyebrows. So this is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. It's really beginner friendly for people who are just now getting into makeup, or who like always do makeup but just cannot get the, you know, the perfect eyebrows that they always wanted. So I've came with a beginner friendly video for you guys to help you get your eyebrows on fleek. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want me to do anything else, any other kind of videos or whatever to your liking, and I will try to do what I can. Just sit back and watch, and I hope you really like this video. Okay, so I try to get as close as possible to my eyebrows that I can, and all my stuff is down here, so everything. So the first thing that we're gonna do is, I have this Anastasia eyebrow pencil in the number 12. I don't know if you can see that, but I take the spoolie side first and I brush my brows on both sides, and I have my mirror over here to my right, so I'm gonna be looking over there a bit while I'm doing this. Okay, and the first thing I do is get my Dipbrow, and I have the chocolate Dipbrow. I don't know if it'll focus, but it's the chocolate. But this is not really my color. It's the dark brown, but I need a new one. Whatever. Anyways, it's dark brown, but chocolate will do. That's what I've been wearing lately. So this is how it looks. I've been using this one. So on your brush, just a little bit. What I do is I do little strokes at the beginning, at the tip. Now, I'm looking this way because my mirror is right here, but I'm gonna let you see what I'm doing. And I know it seems like a lot of product is coming off, but this is just the beginning. There's more stuff that we would do to fix the eyebrows. So first I just do my strokes like that, and then after I do the beginning, I start to shape the brow. And one thing that I like to do is I like to make my eyebrows long, because as you can see, they're not long at all. And I'm going to show you how you can make your eyebrows longer than what they originally are, which I think looks a whole lot better if you make your eyebrows longer than what they are, if you have short brows. So I need to get a little bit more product to shape out my brows. So yeah, and all this extra product that you see is where we will come in with the concealer and clean all that up. So don't be afraid to, you know, freestyle, because concealer is life, and you can always clean up what you do with your concealer. Always. So the main focus is to get the shape of the brow. So when you got a shape that you like, and I promise you right now, this looks awful, but it's gonna come together. So after we shaped it up, what we can do is start to fill in the brow. Like, you don't want to have the shape but a naked brow. So start filling in the brow, and then this is the point where you can move from filling in to the spoolie to shape the hairs. So you'll flip it back over and you'll just shape your hairs. Make sure they're all going the right way. Make sure you're blending out the brow gel, the pomade, so you don't see gaps and everything in it. And then you can go back in and just straighten up your brow. Okay, so we still haven't got all the way through it yet because we still gotta do the concealer. But now I'm gonna show you how you can fix all this up here, because it just looks awful when your brow is, you know, just harsh, this harsh line here. So you don't want your harsh line, and I'm trying to get it to where I can see my mirror and still have this in the camera as well. So to make your brow longer, you just continue to draw small strokes out, but do not go too far, you know, like past your, try to keep it in this range. Don't be making a brow and have it, you know, all up in here and all across here and stuff. Keep it in this range here, and it'll make your brow look so much longer than what it is, and longer looks better, in my opinion. So yeah, just continue to make your tiny strokes. And then what we're gonna do from here, because now you can see, you know, you can see the brow going on from this side to this side. I know it's a lot of, you know, product being used, but we want pretty brows. We don't want no little thin stuff. So you will, this harsh line at the tip, you have to pull it in. You have to blend it. And it doesn't matter, we don't have concealer on yet, so just, you know, blend as much as possible until it looks almost like it's invisible here, and then, you know, starts to fade into a brow. That's how you want your brow to look. So you just keep blending in. And then another thing I like to do is, if I get too far out, you just tap it with your finger. Don't do it hard, do it soft, because you don't want to wipe away all the product and then, you know, form a new harsh line where your finger stops right there. You see, you have to blend that out too. And then also, when you apply your foundation, and you apply your foundation in this area, you'll tend to, you know, fade out most of that harsh line. So okay, now next step we're gonna do is we're gonna get concealer. And y'all have to excuse my lip. My son bit my lip trying to get some bubble gum out of my mouth, and he bit the crap out of me. So what we're gonna do is conceal. We're gonna clean this thing up. You cannot walk out of the house with a brow that does not have concealer on it. So my favorite concealer to use is the Naked Skin by Urban Decay in the color Dark Neutral. I love this concealer. I got this e.l.f. eyeliner brush that I use as my concealer brush. So I get a little bit of product on both sides. And the first thing we're gonna do is start at the bottom. You basically want to get as much product off at the beginning as possible, because you don't want to carry too much product all the way throughout the brow. So we're gonna, you know, get most of the product off, so this side can be just like a clean sweep. We're gonna go up as far as possible to our line, and we're just gonna go on across. So after you've lined it up to your liking, you want to drag your concealer down. You don't want a whole clump of concealer sitting up next to the brow, because it's going to make it look, you know, obviously fake. We want to look, you know, as natural as possible. So we want to pull this concealer down. And pulling this concealer down is also good for priming your eyelids if you want to apply eyeshadows. So it's always good to prime your eyelids. it's not gonna always come out how you like it in the beginning, so you have to go back in and, you know, fix it up and stuff, and then you can apply a little bit more concealer and everything. But this is my first time doing it on camera like this, so it's real difficult with the angles, but we're gonna keep going because we're gonna get this thing done. So we're gonna do our top brow now. Basically, you want to start where the rest of the line is, because majority of the time this should already be lined up. So you want to just start in to where you feel like those lines are gonna meet, and you just do a clean swipe. You don't want to do too much, because concealing the top of your brow, it's not the best looking thing to do. So you don't want to do too much. And basically that's it. Like, it doesn't even look like I put concealer on my top brow, but it looks like I took away all of the other extra pomade that was at the top. So that's all you do. That's how you clean up your top. See, it's gone. Like, I didn't even add nothing up there for real, but it's gone now. So we got one eyebrow done. So let's see if we can move on to the other side. Same method. We're gonna start with small strokes at the beginning and try to keep it lined up with your other brow if you can. It's not impossible. It's a little bit challenging, but it's not impossible. So start off with those small strokes at the beginning. You know we're gonna fade those out. So that's how it looks. See, and I actually did that a little darker than I did this side. So it's gonna be a lot of blending on this side. And remember to keep your eyebrow in. So all of this extra stuff out here in the end, all of this will be gone. So we're gonna shape it up. Let's go with the top first. And then we're gonna get a little bit more of the product, and we're gonna go with the bottom. Now this part is so tricky to me because it just doesn't line up right when I do my bottom on my left side. Well, to you this may be the right side, but I don't know. But to me this is my left side, and I just cannot get the bottom to shape right. And I don't know what's the issue with it, but it just doesn't do right with me. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill the brow in, fill it all the way in. We don't like thin brows, we don't like see-through brows. So we're gonna fill those things all the way in. Put some more product down there. And then, like before, we are going to brush it. I'm gonna brush our brow to make sure we can blend all our product through all the hairs. Okay. So far, okay. So we're gonna shape them because, as you can see now, that's more up, that's more down. So we're gonna shape them up. Okay, so again, we're gonna use the Naked Skin Urban Decay concealer in dark neutral. Get a little bit of product on both sides of the brush. But first, before I conceal, see, I'm moving too fast now. I'm getting this eye makes me nervous. We gotta get this thing together right here. So we're gonna brush back. We're gonna get this product off this tip though, and we're gonna brush back because we're gonna try to fade this tip out. And I actually feel like I may have used a little bit too much product right here. So what we're gonna do is I'm a makeup wipes fan. Like, we're not gonna wipe the makeup off. We're gonna dab it, cause when we dab it, we thin it out. So we dab on it. So as you can see that took a lot of product off just by dabbing, and I don't even know. Oh, there it is. That's how much was on there. So, and that makeup wipe is like full of liquid. So we'll let that dry a little bit before we carry the stuff to the rest of the eyebrow. Take more off, and then we just fade out this brow. Fade it out, fade it out, fade it out. See how it's getting faded like the other side? Now we can fix it up. And we're gonna touch it a little bit. We're gonna boom. There we go. Now it looks kind of crazy right now, but you know we gotta conceal this thing. Okay, so we're gonna start with the bottom, like always. Start at the bottom. Put a little bit of product on there and pull most of it off. We start with a little bit of product so we can mark where we're gonna start our shaping at. So you want to pull most of the product off the brush, and then you will continue to shape. Okay, and then we shape around. Shape. I'm sorry, but this light is taking all of the everything from the video, from the eyebrow, so you can't really see what's going on. Good. And we're gonna shape it, shape it, shape it, shape it. All right now. Okay, okay. I feel like that this dark pomade, it like overlaps the concealer, so you can draw right on top of the concealer and get your shape back. And then all you have to do is just fix it up. We're gonna conceal the top brow. You gotta know what you're doing. You can't just, you know, slap on some stuff and be like, well, today's a bad brow day, I'm gonna do this and go. Nah, you can't have bad brow days if you don't know how to. You gotta have good bad brow days. You can't have any kind of damn bad brow day. Brows are like the secret to makeup. Like, if you can't do your damn brows, you don't need to wear no makeup. I'm kidding, cause some folks just are not good with brows. I'm joking though. I mean, so I feel like that's all we need to do to the brows. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off of the camera so you can see what how it all looks when you bring everything together. Okay. So I'm back. This is my final look. All I did was put on some lashes, eyeliner, a little bit of foundation, and some lip gloss. And this is just a everyday look. So I hope you really liked this video, and I hope it was really helpful. And for you guys who are just beginning to do makeup and eyebrows and everything, I hope that this video really helps you. And if it does, just give it a thumbs up, like, and comment. Let me know what you like about it. Let me know if you want me to do any kind of other videos. And yeah, that's about it. And you guys, don't forget to subscribe. That's the main thing. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.